no one would have believed would lay beneath their feet. That deep below the ground you stand lies a cavern that's lain dormant for over a century. A mystery unveiled in front of your very eyes. Take a step back in time to 1884, when hundreds of pounds of dynamite were sent atop Clifton Hill to make way for the Niagara Falls Railroad Station. But after the first explosion, everyone stopped and stood back in utter amazement. What lay before their eyes? Caverns carved out of crystal just beneath the surface. The workers marveled at the miles of icy tunnels so clear they could see their reflections in the walls. A crystal maze that now you can see with your own eyes. Laugh, cry, be amazed when you come inside and explore the world that astounded and terrified people of the 19th century. So unsure of what they had found in 1884, every entranceway was sealed and the treacherous labyrinth forgotten. Or so the legend goes. Do you dare to find out for yourself? Now you can. For a century later, a tragic fire burned down this historic railroad site. As rescuers moved through the rubble, they found a dark hole in the rocks, just large enough for a person to fit through. What they found inside confirmed the stories they had heard for generations. Crystals jutting out from the walls of endless, ice-lined caves, and a maze of passageways linked with shaky wooden bridges and crumbling ceilings. Now, for the first time ever, you can experience what many never believed to be true. See with your own eyes a magical cavern, a maze of rooms, tunnels and paths, revealing the marvel of sparkling crystals. Fun and amazing for the whole family. Find your way through this remarkable natural wonder, venture deep inside, and if you dare, to witness it for yourself. Your family will find an unforgettable adventure, but hopefully, the way out. Are you brave enough, clever enough, or crazy enough to reach the end of this crystal labyrinth? Come inside and be among the first in over a century to step foot in the mirrored maze of crystal caves. A wonder you must see to believe. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for you and your family to venture deep inside the fabled Crystal Caves. But before you enter, be sure that you have what it takes to find your way out, or you might just get lost in the infinite passageways forever. Discover the mystery of the Crystal Caves.